Konnichiwa minasan. Hello everyone, it's Ahnaf. Today is our second class about Japanese numbers and we are going to learn about the pronunciation of two-digit numbers in Japanese. You will be surprised to know how easy it is to pronounce them once you have learned all the 10 basic numbers we did in the last video. So, let us begin. So, when pronouncing a Japanese two-digit number, there is a sort of algorithm. The keyword is breakdown. So let us take 11 as example. 11, right? So 11 is composed of or can be broken down into, or we can consider 11 as combination of 10 and 1. Again, 11 can be considered as combinations of 10 and 1, right? 10 and 1. Now, 10 in Japanese is ju from the last lecture, and 1 in Japanese is ichi. Now, 10 is ju, 1 is ichi. So 11 in Japanese is 10, 1, ju, ichi, ju, ichi. See, 11 in Japanese is juichi. It is that simple. If it is, let's say, 16, so 16 is 10 and 6, right? So 10 and 6, that is ju and roku. So ju roku. So 16 in Japanese is ju roku. The new bit of information comes when it is numbers like 20 or 30 or 40, like that. So what happens is 20, right? 20. When it is 20, we consider this as two tens. Again, 20 is composed of two tens. Two tens. Because two tens make up 20, right? So two tens. Two tens. Now, 2 in Japanese is ni. 10 in Japanese is ju. So 20 in Japanese is two tens. Ni ju. Niju. That is niju. See? Let's take another example. Let's say 50. 50, right? So 50 can be considered as, just like 20, this time 5 tens. 50 is composed of 5 tens. 5 tens. That is 5 in Japanese, go. 10 in Japanese, ju. So 50, that is 5 tens, that is go ju. Means 50 in Japanese is goju. It is that simple. Lastly, let us consider a random number and let's try pronouncing it. So a random number, what about 77? So 77, these can be first broken down into two parts, that is 70 and 7. Now, the 70 part, if you can remember the algorithm, so 70 can be considered as 7 tens. Again, 70 can be considered as 7 tens. 7 tens. Now 7 in Japanese is nana, 10 is ju. So 70 in Japanese is nanaju. And the unit digit 7 is as it is, nana. So nanaju, nana. Hence 77 in Japanese is nanaju, nana. By the way, when writing a Japanese number, that is by using Japanese kanji characters, so they are written in vertical manner. Vertical manner. That is, let's say a random number, let's say 23, right? So 23, 2 and 3. Now 2 in Japanese is this. 3 in Japanese is this. 2, 3. Together they are pronounced 23, or by following today's lecture, the pronouncing algorithm, we can pronounce this as 23. 23. That's it. So that was our second class about numbers. Hope you guys are clear with the pronouncing algorithm. Following this algorithm, then it is possible to pronounce any 2-digit Japanese numbers. But still, if you have any confusion or anything, please leave a comment, and if you have enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe and like. See you in the next video, and sayonara!